Playing singing games in piano class is a very effective way to teach piano. These beginning piano students are playing closet key, where each child gets a turn to be both the lady in the garden and the child that's lost the key. Why is it important for everyone to have a turn? Of course, teachers know they all want a turn, but more importantly is that they repeat the song as they play. So that means students are already internalizing both the rhythm and the melody, correct rhythm and melody, before they ever see the music in their books. They do see the music for the first time. They're able to follow the instructions on the page, and they often catch their mistakes as they play because they know if it doesn't sound right to them, both the rhythm and the melody, because they've played and sung the game so many times. The first time that they play it is on the black keys. Why? Because the black keys set the students up for success in order to find the location of the white keys. And students do not mind playing this song again or seeing this song again in the book because they know that means they get to play this favorite game. I've played this game outside, like you see in the video, with this mural. I've played it with house plants gathered together, and I've played it with paper, with grass and flowers made from construction paper. Children have great imaginations, and they don't mind whichever way we play. Look in the description below for how to get free copies of this song from my book, the Play and Play Piano Book, the Teacher Edition, and you'll get both the teacher instructions for the game and the music along with the student page. And subscribe to my channel, Play and Play in Piano Class, to see more games and lesson plans for teaching beginner piano. Your students and you will both have fun.